Corporation. A global supplier of thousands of highly engineered products. Quality products designed and manufactured by more than 60,000 talented employees in 25 countries around the world. Eaton Corporation is one of the world's 160 largest industrial companies, positioned to meet competitive challenges and capture the growth and profit opportunities of the 21st century. Serving its global customer base with Cutler hammer products that distribute electric current from the utility to the user. Controls that automate production equipment, operate and protect motors, sense motion, and provide links between humans and machines. Eaton controls also sense temperature and pressure, as well as protect and control power tools, office and communications equipment, and other commercial products.
We estimate 30 seconds, probably 30, maybe 40 seconds. That's all it took for the storm to go by. I still cannot believe when I went out that so much destruction happened in so little time.
Everything was just flattened. And there was cars and trucks and boats and pipes and telephone poles everywhere.
There were power lines down and houses just completely obliterated. And so we had to stop about a half mile or a quarter mile away from the house. And we had to walk in, and it was just surreal. It was unbelievable.
We are required by our disaster plan to respond in 2 hours. The night of the tornado here in Shawnee, we had our volunteer at the Emergency Operations Center at the City Hall probably within 30 minutes of the storm warnings being sounded.
Imagine this, a project with such massive business implications that it demands a change in both technology and day-to-day operations. It's here. It's the Euro project. For Eaton in Europe, the stakes are high and the challenge is huge. Now is the time to prepare for a most remarkable conversion, one that will change all our software and every business process involving money.
A high-tech truck could make it a little safer on America's highways. The new innovation truck technology is very new, and it's
live in Edgewater Park this morning with the innovation truck.
But it's in everybody's best interest to make trucks as safe as possible. Cleveland's Eaton Corporation has been working on
when you're driving down the highway and you get too close to a vehicle, you're going to hear a series of tones.
Video displays connected to the turn signals show vehicles in the blind spot.
Much more to tell you about in the Eaton Corporation Innovation.
The innovation truck is making news. It's a one-of-a-kind demonstration vehicle designed to show Eaton Corporation's latest innovative product offerings, concepts, and technologies. It helps Eaton gain early feedback from you, our customer, to make sure Eaton is meeting your needs. This unrivaled truck is making the trucking industry safer, more productive, and cost-efficient.
Plus, we have these ethics reminder posters. I hold the maxim, no less applicable to public than to private affairs, that honesty is always the best policy. I know, honesty is such an ancient pitch, so why again now?
There's a new force in fluid power. A force that's pumping new life into industrial hydraulics to give you quality, durability, service, support, and on-time delivery. A force that combines the best practices and attributes of 2 hydraulics industry leaders, Eaton and Vickers. Eaton Hydraulics, the new force in quality fluid power solutions. At Eaton Hydraulics, we deliver the most well-recognized brands in the fluid power industry. Vickers' long-standing reputation of producing dependable products will flourish and grow as part of Eaton Hydraulics. just as Charlin products prospered within Eaton. Vickers power units, filtration systems, valves, piston pumps, and motors.
Winners anticipate what it's like to win. But if we don't plan with some reach, if we don't plan to achieve higher achievements, we won't get there.
The level of activity, the level of people responding to the initiative has been terrific. I think that what we have seen is Eaton at its best.
Miles below the surface of the ocean and miles away from shore lies a radical new approach to ship design: electric propulsion, where electric power replaces the traditional mechanical drive, giving rise to the all-electric ship. Eaton's Cutler Hammer business developed the electric drive to make ships quieter and more reliable, to give ships double the fuel economy, more space for combat payload, and greater efficiency. A total revolution in warship design and capability that has grabbed the U.S. Navy's attention. The prototype electric drive will soon be installed on a submarine. In 3 to 5 years, Eaton is planning to deliver shipboard hardware to the Navy. Electric propulsion, coming to an ocean near you by 2004. Eaton leads a new breed of industrial companies, wired enterprises that unite manufacturing and technology for smarter, more effective answers to customer needs. Eaton, leveraging its size, strength, and scope to build solutions for a marketplace that demands innovation at every turn. Eaton Corporation, building solutions through innovation.